WIT-1 Fully Automatic Intelligent Sample Preparation System 2026 has been newly upgraded and is in mass production, developed specifically for cross-section slicing inspection in industries such as semiconductors and PCB, can be applied to the precise positioning, detection and analysis of slices such as PCB, whole copper, solder joints, and solder balls. It uses a high-definition CCD camera to calibrate the grinding position. It can easily and automatically realize processes such as batch, rough grinding, fine grinding, fine polishing, cleaning, etc. 15-inch touchscreen, which allows for custom programming of processing procedures and process parameters. You can set a maximum of 10 grinding and polishing steps at a time. There are 3 options for the end condition of each step: grinding amount, remaining grinding amount, and grinding time. In the product loading area, 21 samples can be placed at one time. There is a buffer zone. During manual calibration, samples can be processed all at once without waiting. It can hold 3 samples at a time for grinding and polishing. Scan the code to quickly obtain sample information. Perform sample calibration with a high-precision CCD lens. Dual monitors, which can display the marking interface and product drawings separately. Multiple grinding lines can be calibrated at one time on the same sample. After grinding one knife, it automatically proceeds to grind the next one without the need for recalibration, and the grinding accuracy can reach plus or minus 10 micrometers. Laser marking or coding for sample traceability. The grinding clamp can automatically adjust the grinding angle and correct samples that are tilted during embedding. Dual station grinding means that while one station is grinding, the other station automatically changes the disc. Built-in storage for 10 grinding discs for replacement. Ultrasonic cleaning of samples and high-pressure water jet rinsing of grinding debris. Moisten the polishing cloth in advance and automatically add polishing liquid. It can be configured with 4 to 6 different sets of polishing fluid, and each set is equipped with stirring and polishing fluid shortage indicator, light display functions. The finely processed samples are continuously cleaned by ultrasonic waves and water flow, and dried with an air knife. Automatic blanking. The equipment automatically flips the product and places it into the tray. In automatic discharging mode, the product is automatically delivered to the subsequent material picking position through the traversing module.
Trojan. Discover the truth of material.